got there, Manny Geek?
Oh, it's my Sally Hansen color foil that's discontinued. Well, it's not discontinued, it was a limited edition. And because it's chrome and we're playing chrome things.
So if anybody's got their hands on Sally Hansen color foil, they know.
You know what we should do?
What should we do?
We should make people watch paint dry.
Oh, okay.
Oh, do you see that? Did you see that? Are you watching it dry? Because it's drying right now. Look at it. Look at it dry. I just slopped it all over the sides. I wish we had a fan.
A van to paint it with?
A fan.
Oh, a fan.
Don't get too close. You'll go blind.
Wow. I think it's time for Sally Hansen to bring these out again, to reissue them.
I agree, because these are the best chrome polishes ever made. And I only used this one. It's called Sterling Silver. And
Can you still find these online somewhere?
you can get them on Amazon.
That's just one coat. Do you usually have to do more than one coat?
No, I usually only do one coat.
Well, that's a really super fast way to get chrome finish.
Yeah, it's way faster than painting and then letting it dry and then jamming on pigment and then putting on top coat and then letting that dry and then putting on another top coat and then letting that dry. This is done. Look at this. Done, done, done. Dry, dry, dry.
Oh,
How long did that take? A minute and a half?
Yeah, about that, because we're about 150. Now it's at 2 minutes.
Look at that. Oh, maybe that wasn't so dry, but still, you
No, you
see what I'm talking about,
where
right?
it lifted. But wow. So yeah, Sally Hansen.
This is so much
Put
faster.
the other one down too.
Oh, I have.
That's pretty.
Do you know how many of these I have? I have the whole line. There's like 9 of them.
Okay, so Sally Hansen, that's what you need to do. Your mission, should you choose to accept it for
Bring
2018,
back color foil.
is bring back color foil.
Bring back color foil.
Bring back color foil.
Because I ruined that one. I feel like I really need to go again. So.
A do-over. And look how fast a do-over is, ladies and gentlemen.
Shake it like you mean it. Shake it like you mean it, and shake it some more. Because these color foils, the color pigments really settle in the bottom. I'm gonna do this with my glasses on from far away.
Ooh.
This one's gold. I don't know what the
Gold
actual
accent-
color name is,
accent
but there you
finger.
go.
Accent nail.
Let's watch paint dry.
It's really good.
Dry paint, dry. This one is called, oh, liquid gold. How weird.
Is the other one called liquid silver?
No, it's called sterling silver. We talked about that.
Oh.
It's drying. I'm blowing on it.
Watching paint dry.
I can't really see from here with these glasses.
Oh,
But look at this chrome. Look at this metal finish. This is chrome. This is what it's meant to be. Love it.
Okay, Sally Hansen.
Thank you, Sally Hansen.
Do it again,
Even
Sally
though-
Hansen.
These are mine.
XO!
Yeah, Manny Geek out.